Welcome to Minexa.ai, where every dataset extracted is deterministic and repeatable. Today we'll show you how to scrape online education course listings efficiently and reliably. Navigate to your target page on read.co.uk. Whether it's a dynamic or filtered listing, Minexa works directly on the live rendered page for seamless extraction. Open the Minexa extension now. It works directly on the page you are viewing, ready to capture the data you need without any complex setup. Click the violet button saying "I'm on the right page" so Minexa can analyze the page structure and detect the free courses list automatically. No results will be missed because Minexa automatically detects pagination and follows every page during extraction to ensure complete data capture. Decide if the list view gives you enough data or if you want Minexa to click into each course for full detailed records. Click Continue if you can see the full dataset already. Switch to Advanced mode if the page needs interaction to reveal more data. Minexa has highlighted the detected HTML container for extraction. It detects layout changes and alerts you instead of pulling wrong data silently. All data points for free courses are identified, including course titles, providers, locations, and dates. Select only the fields you want in your dataset. Developers can click API Request to get code that returns just the columns needed, or let Minexa auto-select the most relevant fields for you. Validate your setup and click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and move on to job creation. Minexa has detected the Next Page button automatically. If there's no pagination, just continue to include all data without missing anything. Click to create your job now. Other options like automated or scheduled extraction are optional, but worth exploring for ongoing data needs. Click Run, and extraction starts immediately. Minexa handles dynamic content, lazy loading, and client-rendered pages automatically for you. Every column stays within the right page sections, avoiding ads or sidebars. You get clean course titles, providers, durations, prices, and start dates exactly as shown on the site. Export your dataset easily in Excel or JSON. The consistent columns and rows mean your file is ready to use immediately for analysis or reporting. Every value comes directly from the web page with no guessing or interpretation. You get structured data exactly as it exists, ready for your projects.